Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how to download a song from Suno AI in 2025. If you have just created an AI generated track and want to save it to your device, this full guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. So first, head over to Suno AI and log in with your accounts. There I have also logged in Suno AI account, and make sure you are signing into the same account you used to create your song, so all your tracks appear in your dashboards. So once you are logged in, you click on my songs or your library. Here you can see this, the library on the left hand side on the screen. Then you will see a list of all of the songs you have generated with Suno AI. Then find the track you want to save, click on it to open the full player view. You will see playback controls options to remix and most importantly the download options. Here you can see this, the remix, create, get streams, and a lot of options, song detail, visibility, and here you can see this download options. Then next to your word track, click the download button, and Sono AI usually lets you download your music in MP3 audio or WAV audio format. Choose the one you prefer and the file will automatically save to your device. If you are on your phone, the process is the same. Just tap on your song, then tap download. The file will either go into your phone's download folder or your music apps depending on your device. So make sure you have got enough credits, because sometimes exporting high quality version may use extra credits. Always double check your final version before downloading to avoid wasting credits. And if you are planning to upload your track to YouTube, TikTok, or Spotify, save it in high quality wave for the best sounds. And that's it. That's how you download a song from Sono AI in 2025. Pretty simple. Log in, go to your songs, select the track, and hit download. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channels.